Got to get it, Papa. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hey everybody, and guess what today is? If you saw our sign, it's the Fireworks Demonstration area over here, and this is a great big bag of explosives, so I have to handle it carefully. I have to handle it very carefully. We're gonna set up on our special testing pad over here, that piece of concrete there, and we're gonna try some different explosives and show you each one, and then we're gonna see what they do. That way you, as a responsible consumer, can go to your favorite fireworks store and see what kind of fireworks you want to get. So hang on just a minute, because there's a few preparations we got to make. Safety is always important, and you got to remember the main items of being safe. And you have to remember the 3 letters. S, L, and G. Yeah, that's it. The 3 letters of fireworks safety. SLG. Always remember that. SLG. I'll put them over here. SLG. They mean set on the ground, light fuse, and get away. So it's easy to remember, and that's the key to fireworks safety. And I have some safety gear I'll have to put on before we start exploding stuff, but we'll show you all that in just a minute. Okay, so we got my safety hat on, and I'm gonna put my safety goggles on. Okay, and I'll show you the first item that we're gonna blow up here. All these things I got the other day when I went out fireworks shopping, and for the 4th of July, which is coming up. So you have a few days, you can see these things, and then you go buy all you want, unless they run out. Yeah, and the first step, besides the safety material, first step to doing fireworks is you gotta have a punk like this, a punk, and you light that, and it stays lit for days and days, and that way you don't have to use up all your gas out of your cigarette lighter. So I'm gonna try to light this punk. It's a little breezy, but we'll see what happens. All right, now you can see I'm not gonna touch it because that's lit. That's my punk, and you can see where it's white on the end. It's smoking a little bit. So anyway, the first item we're gonna try out is this, the Big Spender. They have some special features. It's a convertible. I'm gonna take it out of the box. I don't think it works too good if it's still in the box. But yeah, caution. You see, always do safety first. Caution, moves on ground, emits flame and sparks, just like a real convertible. So let's see, I have to find my concrete pad right there is going to be my solid surface, and I gotta figure out how to open it. Okay, it's all okay. Now let's get this thing out of here, because watch this. Hot dog. All my trash is blowing away. It's a little breezy out today, but look that. That's the Big Spender. A beautiful convertible car. It even has on the inside, you can even got the steering wheel and all that. That's the Big Spender. And we're gonna see, all I have to do is figure out how to light it. Oh, I'm gonna have to fish the thing out of there, fuse out of there, so I can light that me. First thing is the big spender mobile, and I'm gonna put it on the concrete there. We're gonna see, make sure I can see it, and then we're gonna light this thing. It's gonna be lit, y'all. All right, and remember the 3 letters: sit on ground, light fuse, and get away. It's all about safety. Uh-oh. Look that! Go! Whoa! Wait, the fire coming out the wrong end. The more fire came out the front than the back. Well, that was spectacular, I think. That was amazing, wasn't it? The big spender was quite a show. Let me find out what we're gonna do next. It's not gonna be hard, because I think it's gonna be this. Look that! That is an authentic recreation of a Normandy landing craft, approved by the U.S. Navy and the Smithsonian Institute for its design. It should be an exciting show. I'm gonna put it next to the car over there, but we got to get it out of here first. Once I get it out, I'll show you some of the exciting features of this item. If I could get the tape off. There we go. Ooh. And look at that. Well, that right there is a business end. That's the fuse there. We got a rocket engine on there. We got one on top. We got one on the front, and look at that. I guess I'm supposed to, no, I think that stays on there, but there's a little tank inside that's gonna come flying out and blow up the Germans once we light this thing. You remember that show, Saving Private Ryan? It's not gonna be anything like that. So let me go set it down over there, and we'll set up an exciting battle scene between the landing craft and the big spender mobile. And we'll show you just what it was really like on D-Day back in the day. Ooh. Get ready. Oh, look out. That little ting flying around. Oh, shoot that tank. I want to see that tank go. There you go. Now you talking, Papa. Look out, big spender. He's coming to get you. Oh. Oh, there it goes. Uh-oh, is it done? Oh, no, it's not. Look at that. Oh, man. Oh, I feel extra patriotic right now. That couldn't be a better holiday than the 4th of July to show something like that. And it all worked perfectly. Yep, the big spinner didn't stand a chance, except that he missed with the tank a little bit, but that's okay. I was impressed. I don't know if you were, but I was. Now for some more excitement. I don't know how excited y'all were, but I was pretty doggone excited with that. That was impressive. But look at what else is going to be impressive. We just got a, this is the Screeching Eagle. And it comes in a safety case. Golly, man, this thing's heavy. He's heavy. Oh, all my stuff's blowing away. Anyway, look that. Oh, and he's all flexible, kind of. It's kind of coming apart. But yeah, look that. Look that. Now we're ready for the 4th of July. If you aren't patriotic enough already, you're gonna be after you see this. And I think I'll light it right here where he's holding that. And some fire's gonna shoot out his mouth like it normally would. And yeah, we're gonna have a little surprise for anybody sneaking up on him. So watch this. Make sure my punk is still good. Okay. We got we got our crack camera crew to get everything set up for maximum coverage of Screeching Eagle when I set him off. So get ready. I have to be careful. I'm using my safety, all right. Okay. We got a flame. Uh-oh. Look out, I hope he don't move. Oh man, he's smoking. Hot dog. Look that. Oh, he's all colorful smoked. He's not screaming though. I thought he was supposed to scream at me. Red, white, and blue. Okay, we got the, uh-oh. Something else is going on. I'm not sure what. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Ooh. Oh, look out, you people sneaking up on him. Well, what about his mouth? Is he gonna breathe fire on him or what? Hiya! Oh, he means business. I think he does. I thought he was supposed to scream. I didn't see what happened to his mouth. Uh-oh. Huh. I don't know. He didn't scream too much. I might have to get the disposal crew to move him for safety. Oh, and look that. Now I don't know what this is called because the sticker fell off. But yeah, this looks like a good scary one. It's going to be spooky and scary at the same time. And fire's going to shoot out all over the place. So we're going to have to watch out. And I think I'll light it right here. But if I get in a bind, I can dig around inside his brain there and do something. We're going to see. Okay, it's time for action. So I'm gonna light old skeleton head man, and Screeching Eagle's gonna assist. He's gonna be the near observer of it. Okay, Here we go. We got flame. Punk is okay. Oh, look out. Oh, oh, oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, something's going on in his brain. I'm nervous. Wow. Oh. Man, he's going like crazy. There's flames and fire and sparks. Yeah, I'm not sure. I still don't know what he was called, but that was pretty impressive. And now I have a cool skeleton head to play with, you know, on the way home. So, well, those were all very exciting. And but now it's for something, another new thing that I found. I didn't see this before. It's hard to see with my safety goggles on. But I got some of these. I got the skunks. And yeah, you can see where you have to light it. There's that one, the yellow one, the blue one. He's got a gas mask on. I don't know if these spark. Wait, I'll read the directions for y'all. And there's another one. Ooh, yeah, look, died. He's got a little surprise that's gonna come out the back. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think they stink. We'll find out if they actually stink. But they sparkle. They emit showers of sparks. Well, that's different. Okay, I'm gonna get them set up in our explosion zone, and I get my punk here, and here we go. I don't think I can do all three, but we're gonna see. See how many I can get going. Okay, ready? Okay. Uh-oh. Come here, skunk. Got a little bit of breeze. Come on, y'all. They're being real stinkers, that's for sure. Okay. We're trying to light 3. See how far I get. Oh. Uh-oh. He's blowing some smoke. Oh. Oh, he lit the other one. Oh, that was convenient. Saved me some trouble. He lit the blue one. See if that one in turn lights the yellow one. Let's see what happens. Hi-ya! Ho! Uh-oh. No, I don't think the yellow one made it. We'll have to manually do that one. Come here, you. Look out. Oh, he's stinking. Oh, he's got some stink smoke coming out. Oh, look out. I was thoroughly depressed by that one. That was quite a sight. They can stink all over they want over there. Time for another one, real quick. That was certainly exciting, wasn't it? And now we're gonna have sort of a showdown of sorts. And one of my all-time favorite. And it's the Poopy Puppy. And you see, you light it under his tail there, and we'll see what happens. And then, as an ultimate challenge, we have the Naughty Dog. If it looks kind of familiar, it's because it is. And you do kind of a little show. Dun 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 dun. Okay. So we got Naughty Dog and Poopy Puppy. And I gotta get their fuses out. So they're in prime launching position. They stick the fuse right up there, the fireworks. See? And we'll see what we can do. Hang on. I don't know if this is gonna work. Oh no. Uh-oh. They both lit each other up. Who's gonna, oh, there's poop everywhere. Oh gosh, the humanity. Paya! Paya! Yep. It's the Naughty Dog Poopy Showdown. There's not a whole lot of poop left to argue about, really. The explosives make it fly all over. But that was pretty impressive, I think. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed all that excitement as much as I did. And don't forget, you know, the what is it? SLG. No, LSG. No, SLG. Set on ground, light fuse, get away. And you saw I was very careful with my safety equipment and everything to get away as soon as possible after attempting to light these things. But safety talk aside, it's like, what was y'all's favorite? I think one of my favorites had to be the skeleton head thing. It's got some stuff in there. But this, the Normandy landing craft, that had to be one of the best because it had the little tank that popped out, and that was pretty cool. And it was non-stop excitement. And yeah, I think this one's my favorite. This one was my favorite out of everything. Skeleton head was second. The skunks were pretty good, you know, for smoke. And of course, you know, Naughty Dog and Poopy Puppy, they did their thing. Screeching Eagle was okay. He was okay. And now I have a fun toy. I think I might mount him on my hood to ride around and stuff, because it's pretty cool. Oh, and the big spender was nice. But anyway, I hope that gives y'all a good idea of some exciting 4th of July fun you can have. And go down to your local fireworks place and look for some of these things. You might be surprised what you find. You might find something even better. Let us know. Put it in the comments if you want to, and we'll see what happens. And anyway, I'm excited. I need a nap, but I can't get up. Oh. Do like Skeleton Head Man and shoot fire out of your mouth and your ears and your temples. And if you want to, you can punch that subscribe button. Wait, get out of the way. The subscribe button right over here. And you remember, you can punch that and you subscribe. And that's loads of fun, almost as much fun as watching skeleton heads explode. And just punch it like this. Paya! Anyway, me and Skeleton Man, I guess we might see y'all on another day if I can get low enough to get in the frame. There I am. And what are you looking at? Anyway, yeah, we're gonna cool off because it's still hot. It's July, or it's not July yet, but it almost is. But I'm ready to get all my safety gear off so I can relax a little bit, and we'll see what else happens. In the meantime, we'll see you soon on Looked At.